Hey guys, how are you doing now? So now in this video we're gonna learn if you will configure area routes in multiple OSPF area, in multiple OSPF. If you will give the network ID in the wrong area, then how you can troubleshoot that. So this is all belongs to the multiple area OSPF area. You can see I will remove all these things, then I will create the new environment for you, then we will configure that. It's going to be very easy and very interesting for all of you, because we're gonna learn the main protocol of networking, which is OSPF. That's open standard and everyone can use that, and this open standard any vendor can use OSPF. This is not as specific proprietary for any vendor. You got it now. So now we will discuss about OSPF, multi-area OSPF, how you can do that. For example, you can see now, if you have selected this is router 1, same as it is we have router 2, same as it is we have router 3, and you can see they are connected with each other. You got it now. And here I have decided to give IP a number, IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. Here I have decided 192.168.0.2. Here it's 172.16.0.1. here 172.16.0.2. So now you can see how to design it. For example, this is my area 0 and this is my area 1. So it's mean this router I have divided into two portions. One interface is belongs to another area, second interface belongs to another area. This has divided into two portions. You got it now. But by mistakenly, if I will give both network IDs for both interfaces in the same area, which is 0, then you will see that they won't be able to communicate. Router 3 won't be able to communicate with router 1 if you will give the wrong area numbers. So I will do that, then I will give the right area numbers, then you will see that they will be able to communicate again. So for this practice, again we will add 3 routers, and again we will give the basic commands there. So I will add the WAN modules. First of all, add the modules over there in the slots, do close it. The same thing you will do with all the devices. And now you can see, switch on it, and now you can see I'm going to allocate the cables. Serial 0/3/0 I'm gonna give here, same as it is serial 0/3/1 I'm gonna allocate there. Okay, now you can see I'll configure them quickly. Do it now, then enable mode. I'll go to the global mode. In the next step, I'm not changing the host name. I'll use the default name, which is router. If you want to change, you can change. You can type host name is R1. This is now router 1. Okay, you will give the host name R1. Now this is a router 1 now. So now the next thing, you will go to interface, which is serial 0/3/0 you are using here. I will give the IP address, which is here. I have IP address 192.168.0.1. It belongs to class C, so I'll give the class C subname as here. I will do no shutdown and do end. That's it. We have done the basic configuration in the R1. Now I will do close it. I'll go to router 2. It's connected with both routers, so I will give the 2 IP addresses here. One is belongs to class A, second one is belongs to class B. I will go to enable mode, then global mode. I will change the host name is R2 is there, and interface serial 0/3/0 is there, which is connected with router 1. I'll give IP address 192.168.0.2 is there. It belongs to class C, so I'll give this subname as here. I will do no shutdown. It's up now. You got it now. I'll do exit, and I will give my Now I will configure second interface, which is connected between router 1 and router 3, which interface serial 0 by 3 by 1. The IP address is 172.16.0.1. It belongs to class B, so I'll give this subnet mask is there 255.255.0.0. Do it no shutdown and do one. This is we have done the basic configuration in router 2. I'll do no close it. Open this router. Now in this router I will do it now. I will go to enable mode, then you will go to global mode. In the global mode I will go to interface 0 by 3 by 1, which is I am using the port number. Give the port number, and here I'll allocate the IP address, which is 172.16.0.2. it belongs to class B, so I will give the same subnet mask here. Do it no shutdown and do end. Now this is activated. In the global mode you can change the host name as well. Host name is R3. Now do end. You got it now. So now you can see the routing table, it's incomplete because we have done the basic configuration only. We didn't configure any protocol. Know how to configure OSPF, and I will configure in the wrong areas according to this. You can see now. I'll go to here, I'll type show IP row. I will see my network ID here, which is this one. I will take this network ID, I will introduce it into my routing protocols in the OSPF. I will go to router OSPF1 and I'll give the network ID. Network ID is 192.168.0.0, and I will give the wildcard mask with this network ID for class C. The wildcard mask is always 000.255 and area is 0. I have decided. Do end. Now I will go to my second router. In the second router, one interface must be belongs to area 0, which is 0 by 3 by 0. Second interface must be belongs to area 1. So I will give router OSPF 2. You can change the process numbers here. The network ID, this one, not this one. We are using 192.168.0.0. The wildcard mask, which is this one here, and it belongs to your area 0, and second network ID, which is 172.172.16.0.0. This belongs to class B, so I will give the class B's wildcard mask, and this is again area 0, so which is wrong. They won't be able to communicate. Then I will let you know how you can troubleshoot it. I'll go to this router, enable mode, global mode, router OSPF 3 network. Here I'm using this one, and wildcard mask. Here I'm using the network 192.168.0.0, and the wildcard bits would be this one, 255.255, and its area 1. That's alright. Now you can see. You can type show IP route. You will see routing table is incomplete. Why it's incomplete? You can type show IP protocols. You will see here I did this command, and you can see this is in this router. I'm using this network ID under area 1, and you can see in this router you can type show IP protocols. You will see that in this router I'm using two network IDs. This one is belongs to area 0, second network ID again belongs to area 0, so both are the same. They won't be able to communicate at any cost right now. Got it now? How you can troubleshoot that? It's very easy. You will go to global mode and you will introduce this network ID into your right area. I will copy this network ID. I'll copy this command from here, copy here, and you will go to router OSPF 2, which I am using here. Here you will paste your command, and you will press Ctrl I, and you will type no word at the beginning of the command. You got it now? Okay. You will type no net. You will complete the command. Hit enter. Now you will allocate your right network ID. You can edit it. It's area 1, and you can remove the word of now. Hit enter. Do end. The moment you will do end, now you will got a notification OSPF neighborship is up. Now you can go to router 1, and you will see that now show IP row. You will see that routing table still is not completed. It will take few seconds. After that it will be completed. You can wait for notification here. Once you will get a notification here, then it will be able to communicate. Now you can see OSPF is there. What is IA? IA means it's inter area. It means this network ID is coming from another area, but now you can see they are able to communicate. 0.1, it's able to communicate with router 1. Okay, so this is multi-area OSPF. This is we have done. If you will give the wrong areas, then how you can troubleshoot them. Again, you can type IP protocols. You will see now it's executed. This network ID is under area 0. This network ID is under area 1 now. You got it now. So this is we have done.